To send money from India to Poland, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a reliable money transfer service that operates in both India and Poland. Some popular options include banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange companies. Next, you need to check the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer. Different services offer different exchange rates and fees, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. You can use online tools to compare the rates and fees of different services. Once you have chosen a service, you need to create an account with them. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. You may also need to verify your identity and provide proof of address. After creating an account, you need to initiate the transfer. This involves entering the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account details. You also need to specify the amount you want to send in the currency you want to send it in. The service will then convert your Indian rupees to Polish zloty and transfer the funds to the recipient's bank account. This can take a few hours or a few days, depending on the service and the transfer method. To ensure a smooth transfer, it is essential to provide accurate information and to comply with all regulatory requirements. You should also keep track of the transfer and follow up with the service if there are any issues. Some key concepts to keep in mind when sending money from India to Poland include exchange rates, fees, and transfer times. You should also be aware of any regulatory requirements, such as know your customer and anti-money laundering laws. In terms of best practices, it is essential to choose a reputable service and to carefully compare rates and fees before making a decision. You should also keep track of the transfer and follow up with the service if there are any issues. Additionally, you should be aware of any scams or frauds and take steps to protect yourself. Overall, sending money from India to Poland requires some planning and research, but it can be a relatively straightforward process if you follow the right steps and choose a reliable service. By understanding the key concepts and best practices involved, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer.